Hi everybody, this is our third phonics video where we're going to focus on some of our set 3 sounds. Are you ready? Here we go. A better letter, You know this one. Cup of tea, E. Fire, fire, ire. Here with your ear, ear. Chew the stew, ooh. Snail in the rain, A. Care and share, air. I like this one. Goat in a boat, O. Brown cow, ow. Nurse with a purse, Yawn at dawn, or. Sure, it's pure, your. Fantastic. Shall we go through those again? Here we go. E, ire, ear, oo, a, air, o, ow, or, your. Here we go. See if you can do it on your own this time. Super job, well done.